Well, the wheels are coming off. Looking to work that away, square on the onside. And off stump this time, uprooted.
We'll beat it with spin, said Moin Khan. I don't think anybody's arguing with him. Sqalain weaving a web. Flatter delivery. Totally deceives Marcus Trescothic. Looking to play the ball square on the leg side. Bullseye bowling once again from Sqalain. Trescothic's gone for 36, England 64 for 4.
Big full toss from Sqalain. And would you believe it? Craig White fails to register a run in any of these one-day internationals. He's managed to hit Sqalain's worst ball of the series, straight down the throat of Mushtaq at deep square leg. England 6 down.
Oh, this is head in your hand stuff. The looping full toss from Sqalain, and Craig White, looking to get off the mark, has picked out Mushtaq Ahmed. It's a good catch down by his ankles. White departs for naught. And England 86 for 6.
Well, this was his first delivery, Sqalain. Flighted delivery outside off stump. Graham Hick almost lets go of the bat. The ball spins back, predictably. Disappointing end. But he's bowled wonderfully well. It was a terrific spell, his first 6 overs. A damaging spell for England. 3 for 15.
Come on, Imran, shabash.
For Giles. Gone. Well, Ashley Giles doesn't quite know how he's gone. There was appeals for all sorts of things. I'm not sure how he was out, but he's gone his way, shaking his head.
This was probably the straighter delivery from Sqalain Mushtaq that he disguises so well, bowling from closer to the stumps. And ball hit the back leg, which looked in front of the leg stump. But it was a very good delivery. Fox the batsman completely. There you see him trying to work the ball away towards the onside. He went straight with the arm and seemed to have got him on that leg stump. It's gone for 11 in England, 156 for 8.
The off has gone for naught. Sqalain has got 5 for, and England are nearly done.
Trying to sweep. Once again, Sqalain bowling the straighter delivery. Moin Khan initially looking for an LBW decision, an appeal. The ball off the pad, lodging straight into the stumps. Bales dislodged, and so was the batsman. He's walking back to the pavilion. Off the pad and hitting the stumps. On for
Everything. It's the end of Darren Goff, almost before he'd started, going to sweep. Pad, glove, onto the stumps. Sqalain 5 for 20, best bowling for Pakistan in one-day internationals, beating Shahid Afridi. There's only thought really left for England.